Hello my good people, welcome back to Kanini Flavors YouTube channel. If this is your first time to be in this channel, consider subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting nicely ndio usiachwe na utamu kwa hii recipe kwa hii channel. So on this channel we learn how to cook some recipes za mandazi kama hii, very soft, yellow ndani, other food zote tunasoma hapa. So usikose kusubscribe na please watch this video till the end. You see the amazing recipe of this sweet and very yummy mandazis. You can serve them with a cup of milk, kama chai ama coffee, because they're very delicious. Thank you so much. Let's start. For the recipe, we have some Prestige, some lemon zest and juice, an egg, some baking powder, 3/4 glass of milk, a 1/4 glass of sugar. We'll need 300 grams of wheat flour and some oil. So the first thing, let me remove these ones. The first thing is to mix the dry ingredients. You sieve your flour first. It helps to separate the large particles, inakuwa a bit smaller and softer. There is our flour. It's already very soft. Next thing, you add in your baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon. Let me add a small portion. Yes, 1/2 tablespoon. And then I add in my sugar. Then I mix them. Ensure zimemix vizuri. You can also check my other video, hiyo ni ya cinnamon mandazi. So at this stage ndo tunge add cinnamon. There are our dry ingredients coming with our milk. And then I add some oil, kiasi tu, and then I whisk. After that, I add my lemon juice and zest. The lemon makes the mandazis more sweeter. Kuna kautamu fulani ukua wewe. Katamu. After that, naongeza kwa dry ingredients, then mixing. Lemon has a taste fulani ubaki kwa umbali. After that, na add my Prestige. You can either melt it ama uiongeze tu hivi. mixing with my hand. Alafu kitu ingine I forgot to mention, our milk was warm. Warm, see, hot, warm. You make your dough iache kushika mkono. Our dough is almost ready. Usikaushe, don't make it hard, just tender. Is it tender or soft? Here is our dough. So before allowing it to rest, we add to oil kiasi. Oil ina make it soft, very soft. Hata hiyo yenye tulieka kwa maziwa ina allow hata dough itakuwa imeachana somehow. Okay. And this is it. Yes, here is our dough. So I'll just cover it and allow it to rest 30 to 45 minutes. This is a very simple recipe. Pike tu familia for breakfast. Na unamaliza hiyo story. Just cover it. Let me cover it. For around 30 to 45 minutes, then it will be ready. Here is our dough. It's ready, as you can see. In a G divide 2, it's very soft. And here is our sufuria. So first preheat our oil. As our oil is heating, I divide my dough into equal portions. Alafu kitu ingine, my guys, hey, tuli onyeshana yai but hatujaiweka kwa our other ingredients. So yai unaweka time ya maziwa, ama ka bado huna yai si lazima, si must. So divide them to equal portions. It's very soft. Here they are. So I'll first roll the first ball, and our surface is oiled. This prevents the dough from sticking on the surface. Ukiweka unga chini ita make ikue, inaitwaje, ikue imeungua, itaharibu mafuta. So the best thing ni kuweka tu mafuta chini as una roll. Ukidip hivyo kisu kwa mafuta, it helps to divide the dough vizuri sana. You cut to your preferred shape. Our oil ndio ina heat, but bado moto. Our oil is ready. So ready. Unaweka tu pole pole. isikusplashie. You turn them to ensure uniformity. Ensure your oil is imekuwa moto vizuri, otherwise itakausha mandazi. Here is our last ball. We just use the same procedure we used with the other balls. We roll it. To preferred thickness or shape. And then you cut it kwa shape zenye una desire. And then you take one, you place in the oil. The next one unapika zenye zinatosha sufuria. You turn them isiungwe. Ndio hizi hapa. So I'll just remove them, ziko ready. And then our last, place them pole pole, usijichome na mafuta. Hatutaki mafuta ikiiva pia wewe ngozi yako inaiva. Unaweza zitoa kulingana na kala unapenda. Zangu zimebakisha kiasi. Ndio hizo. They are ready. Finally mandazi yetu yako hapa. Yapendeza. Ndio hiyo, very simple and easy. Quick, within 1 hour unamaliza. For your breakfast, ukisikia una chill kwa nyumba, unataka tu kula something sweet, unapika very fast, unakula. Yes, this is the simplest way ya kupika with lemon. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe kama uja subscribe if it's your first time. Like the video, comment nicely and also share. Ikikubamba sana, share tu na mabeshte. Thank you so much. Till next time. Bye.